I recently stumbled upon a site of YouTube Shorts that is not just making money, it is absolutely printing money using seemingly simple AI tools. I'm talking about the Roblox Rant Shorts niche. Now stop rolling your eyes. I know what you're thinking the second I say that.
But isn't that niche totally saturated? Isn't everyone already doing that? And isn't it too late to start?
Listen closely, because this is where the 90% fail. For the vast majority of creators who are simply copy-pasting the same garbage, yes, that path is completely closed off. But for the select few, the ones who actually understand the secret sauce and critically avoid the 5 catastrophic mistakes every beginner makes, this niche is anything but saturated. This isn't just a fleeting trend you can ride for a few months. This is genuinely evergreen content, strategically positioned to be a massive earner all the way through 2050, and I have the irrefutable proof to back that up. The opportunity here is not just large, it is staggering. Prepare to have your perception of what's possible on YouTube completely shattered. I found a channel in this niche that pulled in an unbelievable 99 million views in the last 30 days alone. Let that number sink in. 99 million views in a single month. Why? Because their videos are not just good, they're algorithmic scroll stoppers. The content is so uniquely tailored to the platform that it is physically and psychologically impossible to swipe away before the video finishes. This sends powerful engagement signals back to the YouTube algorithm, telling it this video is gold, show it to everyone. And let's talk about the revenue, because we all like money. Based on millions of views, their estimated earnings for that single month are conservatively between $25,000 and $395,000. That range is massive because the actual CPM can swing wildly based on viewer geography and the quality of the ads shown. But even at the low end, $25,000 is not Shorts pocket change. That is quit your job and buy a house money. This level of revenue from such simple content is quite frankly absolutely insane. So what is the secret to getting into the 10%? It starts with avoiding the trap. If you go on YouTube right now and search Roblox Rant tutorial, you will find the same generic, boring copy-paste advice from every struggling creator trying to teach you. They give you a 4-step checklist that is guaranteed to result in 0 success.
Step 1. Beg ChatGPT for 10 ideas. Step 2. Download some free Roblox parkour gameplay that's been used more times than a public restroom door handle. Step 3. Generate a robotic monotone voiceover. Step 4. Spend hours fighting for your life in CapCut, trying to match the visuals to the script.
Wait, when you hear this checklist, it sounds feasible. It seems easy, right? It looks like a simple path to passive income. But here's the problem. You will see the failure the second you upload that video. You will either get stuck in the dreaded 200 view jail, or if you are incredibly lucky, you might flatline at 15,000 views and never move again. I'm not saying you can't create videos with this method. I'm saying everyone creates videos with this method. That's the fundamental, viral killing issue. Think about the content ecosystem. When you ask ChatGPT for 10 viral ideas, those are not proprietary ideas. ChatGPT has already handed those same 10 suggestions to the last 5,000 people who asked. You are starting with recycled, unoriginal fuel. That unique gameplay footage you downloaded from a random YouTube clip, it is currently the background for 10,000 other videos uploaded by creators who followed the exact same generic tutorial. You are cloning a clone, creating content that is entirely undifferentiated. The algorithm sees this, recognizes the visual signals and the textual patterns, and instantly suppresses it, tagging it as low-effort repetition. On top of the lack of originality, let's talk about your time. That whole 4-step process, downloading, generating scripts, finding the voice, meticulously trying to edit it all together, takes you 50 minutes to a full hour of grinding per video. You have just wasted an hour of your life creating a zombie video that dies instantly without ever hitting the 30,000 views necessary to get meaningful traction. So if you want to make genuinely unique, viral Roblox Rant Shorts without losing your mind to the content treadmill, you have 2 distinct paths. Option 1, the Einstein method. You can choose to be smart, dedicated, and tireless. Do your own deep market research. Spend hours watching competitors, formulate your own unique ideas, write original scripts from scratch, record and edit your own high-quality footage. This is the hard path, requiring serious commitment and endless hours of painful trial and error. Option 2, the potato method. Or, if you are lazy, and let's be honest, a little bit dumb like me, but incredibly smart about efficiency, you use the cheat code. You don't eliminate the work, you automate the effort. You literally only need to lay on your bed, invest 30 seconds of your time, and click a few buttons to generate high-quality, unique content. The AI tool that I use to crack the code and skip the entire zombie content generation process is called KorpiAI. This is not a novelty. This tool is a genuine paradigm-shifting solution for Shorts creators because it completely bypasses the generic advice and simplifies the work into a single workflow. Here is why KorpiAI is the best friend you didn't know you needed. True full automation. Forget jumping between ChatGPT, a voice generator, a downloader, and an editor. KorpiAI creates the entire video automatically from start to finish. Unique script generation. This is the most crucial difference. It doesn't use the generic recycled scripts found by the masses. KorpiAI uses proprietary models to generate genuinely unique video topics and scripts that have not been seen anywhere else, instantly giving your content that algorithmic edge. Comprehensive asset library. It handles everything. It either adds its own curated, non-recycled gameplay background footage, or allows you to upload your own. It includes free, high-quality voiceovers and music that you can select from. Total customization in seconds. The genius lies in the control you still have. Before you hit that final generate button, you can fine-tune every detail. You can choose the exact topic, swap the gameplay, change the voice tone, edit the fonts and sizing, and crucially for virality, you can even add custom meme pictures and timely sound effects to make your content actually funny and relatable. All of this happens in less than a single minute. To use the tool, head over to your browser search bar and search for KorpiAI. Once you sign up, you will see this dashboard. This tool doesn't just make Roblox Rant videos, it also makes different kinds of trending shorts. shorts. For example, as you can see here, it can make AI stories, Roblox rants, fake text videos, argument videos, Reddit stories, ranking videos, and many more. If you need a video about these other video features, let me know in the comments. Now, since we are talking about Roblox Rant videos, we'll click on Roblox Rant. Once you click that, you will see this page. From this, you only need to check these 3 buttons: script, background, and music. In the script section, as you can see, here's the script spot where you can add your text. If you have your own script, you can add it manually here, but as we discussed earlier, it has topic and script generator features, so here's the button to do that: Generate with AI. Once you click that, it will give you 3 options: random, preset topics, and custom. The random option creates a viral rant about a random topic, includes Roblox, school life, gaming, social media, daily struggles, and more. If you choose this, you only need to click the generate button. The second one is preset topics. You will find a bunch of preset topics in Roblox, school, gaming, daily life, etc. You can choose any topic from here. The third option is custom. In this one, you can manually type any command or prompt. For example, make a rant about people who think they are smart. For now, I will choose the random one. As you can see, it gave me a unique rant script. So the next thing I will do is go to the background section. Before that, if you want to change text font, case, color, size, placement, or shadow, you can change all of that one by one. Then click the next button. From there, you will go to the background section. As you see, there are lots of unique background gameplays here: Roblox backgrounds, Subway Surfers, Fortnite, and you can also upload your own. After you choose one, click the next button, and you will go to the music section. Here, there are lots of background music options you can choose from, and also, you can choose different voiceovers, but most people use Adam's voice. It's good. We will also choose that. Finally, we will click the generate button, then it will show you 2 options: quick generate, advanced edit. If you generate with quick, you will get your video instantly, but if you generate with advanced, you can cut and trim audio segments, add sound effects and memes at specific moments, change speed of individual segments, fine-tune timing and pacing. Let's generate with advanced and see what it looks like. After you click it, you will see this. It shows you the caption timestamps. To add sound effects or custom pictures, click the caption where you want to add them. Then click this upload image button, and you can add your own meme picture or any picture you want from your files. For sound effects, you see this add sound effect button. Now choose before or after, then click the button. It will show you lots of sound effects. Choose the one that fits the moment. Like this, you can add sound effects and pictures anywhere. You can also delete any caption you don't like. After you finish everything, go to the finish and generate button and click it. Then boom, it will make your new video in less than 30 seconds. There are 3 subscription options for this tool. It's basically the cost of a cup of coffee. When you compare it to how much easier it makes your job, it's nothing. But anyway, they gave this channel subscribers an exclusive 20% off discount. Use our channel name Crash as the promo code to get your discount. They also have a crypto payment option if you want to use that. And thank you KorpiAI for collaborating with us.